Today's Saturday, the 27th of April, and I'm going to really try to get this floor finished today. I've got to take, because I got ahead of myself. I should have gotten, I wanted to put that tongue and groove flooring in here, which was about 1/4 of an inch thick. Okay, well, my wife talked me into getting this stuff here, that sticky stuff that you stick to the floor. And I knew that I should have put some Luan board on the floor before I put that on. That way I could have just put caulk on it and screwed it up. But I got ahead of myself, and now I got to compensate for it. So today we've got 1/4 inch Luan board, and we're going to put strips about this wide down here and come up to the center here and angle them in. Then I'm gonna caulk it, the floor down, put the Luan board over top of it, caulk over top of it, and screw it back in here so that I can put this floor together and get this part done. So that's gonna be our project for today. And I'll put this in with the other one, because it's just gonna, yeah.